Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I make wheat meal for one portion. You can see funny way. You can see the wheat meal here. Just want to make one portion. So if you don't know how to turn wheat, please wash it very carefully and see how I'm turning the wheat. You know, when you turn the wheat, you make sure it's done very well. Can't turn it with hurry. You take your time and turn it very well. So this is my wheat. You see, this is my wheat. I will turn for one portion, just one person. So my water is boiling in the fire already. So let's go to fire. Wow, you guys can see the water. So you reduce the water just for one person making the wheat for. So you reduce the water. See? Now add your wheat. Now add wheat. Then you started turning it. You can see? If you turn it using strong, you add little. You see? So this is how you turn it. After turning it like this, add little water, small. That is hot water that you reduce. Then you leave it like 2 to 3 minutes to done before you turn it. Finish, then you mold it. So I'll leave it like 2 to 3 minutes. Let the wheat done very well. So guys can see they're very light. You allow it to done very well. You turn it and see. So it's done now. Now off the light. We'll mold it now just for one person. So guys can see, just to use clay fin and mold it. This is my clay fin. To use it and mold it. Just to mold it. Just to mold it. Wow, you can see it. This for one person. You can call it one portion. Call it for one person. So when you do it like this, prepare your soup. Prepare ogbono soup or egusi soup, vegetable, any soup can go with it. So that is all for wheat for one person. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to put your comment and subscribe and like. Share to a loved one. We meet again in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.